Hi, hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to earn $100 in every 30 minutes with Google for free. So, let's discuss this topic. So, earning $100 in 30 minutes, there are a lot of methods. First method is that affiliate marketing. So, you can also earn $100 per month using the affiliate marketing to the commission basis for promoting the products and services. So my second point is that Google AdSense. You can also earn certain amount of income using the Google AdSense for YouTube, blogging or any other websites also. So third point is the freelancing workers. So you can also take from freelancings and also you can earn money using this freelancing, and also you can do the work as a part-time basis also. So these are the three basic steps to earn $100 in every 30 minutes. But I will show you there are certain step-by-step method for earning these incomes. So let's visit to our computer screen. So I will go to Google Chrome over here. Then I will type here Google News. You see here, I will click on this Google News and I will go to technology and see the trending news over here or article over here. You see all these kind of trending news and articles over here. Then I will go to another tab and I will type here ChatGPT. Then I will type here trending articles topic for technology. Then select this one of this topic and I will copy this headline. Okay, then I will go to another tab over here and I will type here create articles using AI. So I will click on this website http simplify.com.ai. Then I will click on this website. Then I will open this website and I will paste these headlines over here. Then you see here again I will click generate option over here. Your article will get ready within the minutes. Then you copy all this article here. Okay, then I will paste this article again in new tab and I type here keyword search tools. Then I will click on keywordtool.io option over here. So you see here, then I will go again to the ChatGPT and I copy these settings and I paste over here. And you click on the search options. After you click search option, then you will get the keyword research tools. Then you go to go to another tab and I will type here TechCrunch India. Then you see the first website over techcrunch.com. Then you see here our website get open. Then you see all these Google technological news. Okay, you see this all are technological news. Then I will go more option over here and then you see contact us. Then I will click on contact us options. Then you see other inquiries. You should fill up for the first name, last name, email ID and what you inquire about. You should select one of them. Then you type certain message and submit it. Okay. Then after that they will review your message and you can submit your article to that company also. After 24 hours your article will get published to that websites. Okay, you can publish this article to Google News also. And so I will go to the Google Publisher Center. I will go to here another tab and I will type here Google Publisher Center. Then I will click on this first of this link publishercenter.google.com. Then you see here my Google Publisher Center will get open. Then you see more options. I will click on content label. Then you see here site wide content labels. Then I will click on this site. Okay, wide content label and then I will choose a block. After you see the area content label, Then I will click on area content label. Then you add your URL of your business. Okay, my business name is proficientcomputeracademy.com, like this. Then I select the label is blog. Okay, then when I upload this blog into your own website, then it's automatically go to the Google News also. So, and you can also show the URL labels in Google in using your blog also. So, in freelancing website, there are the best way for the freelancing as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. They are the best website for the freelancing. Then you content for the publication, you can also upload your content in publications, magazines, and websites also. So then you can also sell your content to places like test brokers and constant content also. Then you can sell your article in social media also and for their LinkedIn and Facebook pages also. Then you can also sell your article in Reddit and Quora also. And not only here, you can also sell your courses in Coursera and Udemy also. If you don't know any kind of knowledge how to sell your courses online, so you can click on this I button and watch that video. Okay, while there are several ways to earn money online, but they are equal and efforts, skills and time and efforts, and you have any patience for that, then you can earn money online this kind of websites also. Always there are approaches and certain claims for that you can conduct through the research and committing to their opportunity also. So guys, if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.